I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Peacock TV subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Peacock TV website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account link to the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Manage Subscription. In the account settings, look for the Manage Subscription option. This will take you to the page where you can view your subscription details. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. On the subscription management page, you should see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After canceling, check your email for a confirmation message from Peacock TV. This ensures your subscription has been successfully cancelled. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble cancelling your Peacock TV subscription. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. Happy streaming!